Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a Stihl 021. This is a 35.2 cc motor. RPMs are 11,500 maximum. That's with the bar and chain on it. Idle speed is 2,800. We'll get up a close shot here and show you some of the great features on this saw. This one was actually made in the United States, Virginia Beach. It features the master control switch right here. And that's the off position, that's run. All the way down is choke. And off one click there is high idle. It has the operator presence lever right here. Has a working chain brake. Has a side load on the mix oil right here. And a side load on the bar and chain oil. It's got the nice quiet tone muffler right here. And just a very nice saw if you're doing firewood cutting. Go outside and make a cut with it.